Whoa.
That's good. At least you know.
So that brings me to our first question.
Yeah, that word was big, even for me.
Definition on the screen.
My girl, why you have to show off that you're educated? That is what me want to know.
Because
So when she said cunnilingus, I was like, what vegetable is that? Yeah, you have to be our big words here. We don't need the big words. We don't need the big words here.
Yes.
That's a good question.
The man accept. No, that need to go on a shirt. I don't accept, but I accept.
I know, right?
But like, is it okay, see?
I like the answer.
I'm just saying, like, I think women
So, Ashley, do
are
you do
very
it?
liberated.
Do you do it? Do you give it?
That's something I check it out.
Yeah,
No,
cunnilingus. Do you do
Don't
cunnilingus? I don't know what she said earlier. It was a big word. It went through my mind.
So, if you don't do it, why are you arguing so hard?
Because the question came up, or the topic came up, because I mentioned that we're going to do somewhere like on the show. And then Lance brought it, and I was like, okay, that's a very interesting first question. You know, I'm here for the content.
That's what we never do now, because
See, he's still on it. He's much less nervous now as well.
Nervous.
I'm nervous.
You never really answer anyway.
I feel like they have a phone conversation.
Why are you still talking about it then? You sound very intrigued.
No, because that's the first question. That's why I clarify. Because how intimate can be. Guys, let me reiterate.
So we can chop it up.
Never. But I'm not against it. 2024, if you want to go down, and hey, who knows?
You do.
Future? Maybe. Maybe. You know, the writer come along, if I'm in the right mood, maybe write about the alcohol. Maybe. But right now, I'm not going for it.
If you want to go to foreign, you got to do it for the green card.
But never shit.
Well, they never specify what kind of fantasy.
Wow.
I said that before you said that.
No.
Answer the question.
This is
yeah.
question.
That's my question.
This is a PG-13 show.
Hey, answer the question.
It's confession section.
She talking about PG in the full body suit. I can have no advice.
Releasing dopamine.